It was really great to come here to Frankfurt to meet all these practitioners in pricing and also to do networking, So we are coming from different industries, we are coming from different countries, but at the end, the pricing challenges are the same, And we were able to discuss how to transform these pricing challenges to opportunities in the market.
For all the pricing professionals, here is a kind of great event that you can interact and meet with many people from pricing environment. You can also together identify the common problems in the industry and you can find common solutions together. It's good to have these exchanges with the professionals in the same environment. So I really recommend to be here.
It was nice to meet a lot of different people and talk about pricing and get the feeling that we all have the same problems in the end, the same obstacles, and see it from different perspectives.
AI and automation is becoming more and more important for pricing as the market is constantly changing and requiring to act immediately on changes and the requirements of your customers.
I have two key takeaways. Of course, AI is all around, it's here to stay. The answers are very different that AI is answering for different companies, which I think is great. At the same time, I've seen lots of classical pricing topics which are still quite relevant, things we've been talking about since 10 years, and I think the combination of those two things are really exciting to see.
I met different people from different companies, and it was an eye-opener for me with the others' experience.
It was great to participate in the sessions and also listen to many practitioners from pricing and commercial excellence who were able to share their knowledge and gave us a lot of insights into the topics. And of course, what is always great in these conferences is also that you get a lot of chance to speak in like networking sessions during lunch, during dinner, so that you get a lot of exchange also between the lines.
As the organizations are rising their maturity, new challenges are happening, and this type of conference are definitely helping the professionals to stay up to date on what is going on.
I think it was very well organized. I think there was a good mix of practitioners and consultancy experts, so really good discussions across. We're all struggling with the same things. We're hit by the market volatility. We all want to have pricing to take a higher seat in our organizations. And one thing that I also take away is how do we link pricing closer to the commercial excellence side of the business? How do we ensure that pricing is part of our growth plans and strategic discussions and not seen as kind of a sidekick to the business?
Markets are rapidly evolving and volatility is becoming really the norm. So my main takeaway is that we need to be able to build processes and pricing structures that are robust enough, but that can also be adjusted rapidly to accommodate the market conditions.
I've seen a lot of good insights on data, algorithms and AI implementations, but I do think the one thing that will change is that we roll back to saying with all the clever math and data and AI solutions we are seeing, how do you connect people better and quicker so they can be engaged on more complex pricing decisions and act in the same direction?